Middle blocker number 15, Amy Provido. Another middle blocker number 22, Lilay Del Castillo. Opposite spiker number 12, Van Bangayan. Middle blocker number 19, Risa Nogales.
Our season 87. Balingit. Scoring.
When you activate a middle blocker like Amy Provido, it will definitely create a lot of problems on defense for UE.
Balingit, double block was there. Laput and Provido working hand in hand. They target Canino. Malaluan, slowed down by the blockers. Chance ball Lasal. The toss to Aliyah. Once again, Reyes. Solid dig. Cepada. Straight to the other side. Big chance for UE. Zamudio will try. Nice rebound by Bangayan. Kai Cepada naman. Aliyah. Oh, finds a way.
Not the best of hits, but she still found that space behind the blockers of UE.
Yan they move
To give Nogales some attempts, because when you take a look at the right pin of Lasal, that's Shivana Laput. Sa left naman, that's Aliyah Malaluan. So matatangkad yung mga blockers talaga ng Lasal. That's why they're getting a lot of defensive stops in the opening set.
Laput squeezing it past the blockers of UE. Usually serving as a service specialist. Canino off the block.
Canino.
Be consistent all throughout the remainder of the first round.
Van Bangayan. Great hustle by UE. Miko this time to Del Castillo, and Reyes with the save. Battle at the net, won by Lilay Del Castillo.
This is classic Lasal.
The Lady Spikers. Bump to Ash Cañete. Laput approaches. Ecalia, tough back set. Denied by the double block.
It's a block point.
Del Castillo and Canino.
It has been a block party in set number 1. 6 kill blocks for Lasal to end. Super convincing para makuha nila yung delay on the block.
Great coverage there by Kai Cepada. From the back row, a bit of an off-speed hit. Canino approaches. Reyes, bump set. Balik kay Cepada. Canino will try again and could not score that time. Nicole will toss it up to Del Castillo, who will score. Straight back to UE. Bump set. Cepada approaches. Cepada one more time. They will counter with Aliyah Malaluan.
That is the same point of attack for Aliyah Malaluan. Just
easy over. Chance here. Not that time for Nogales. Micol jump set. Canino with the put down. Full front line for UE. Back to Canino. Covered by De Leon. Laput will hustle. And this will be Canino striking. Van Bangayan. Block. Oh, that's in.
It's a block point for the Lady Spikers.
yep.
Laput pinabawi. Ecalia, floor coverage. Nicole sending it to the quick attack. Amy Provido. Tolentino to Provido. Canino will play setter. Laput pushes. Ecalia, the setup for Cepeda, but she was denied.
For the Lady Spikers.
Shane Veterta. Nogales stopped by Del Castillo.
Offense has been predictable.
As we are at a deadlock at 17. UE looking for the lead. Micol. Canino. Who else to go to when you need a point?
Serving 20.
Another sharp serve. Canino from the middle.
Angel Canino.
And late ko na nga na-realize that she did play as an opposite hitter for Alas Pilipinas, and she even won an award. So that can be one of the options of Coach Ramil in certain
Block
rotations.
point for the Lady Spikers.
Block point for... First pass De Leon. Back set to the opposite side. Laput. Oh, it's still alive. Another try for LaSalle. Back to Shivana Laput. Slowed down by the blockers. Bump set. Kai Cepeda not there. Micol sending it to the back row. Ecalia, nice dig. Kai, straight to De Leon. Micol to the quick. Amy Provido providing.
The wings have been checked.
By the Micol will send it to Del Castillo. Blockers were prepared. Cepeda unloads. Canino with the easy up. Lapo to put it down. Reyes. Nice save. Van Bangayan off speed. Pancake save. And a quick...
For the Lady Warriors for the set. Van Bangayan.
Nicole to Aliyah. Soreño from the other side. Can this be it for UE? Pamulagan checked at the net. They will go to the pipe. Canino, what a dig by Van Bangayan. Cepeda unpacks. Aliyah, tough angle. And they give the point to UE. Nogales, slow. Micol, straight to the other side. Reyes will hit. Micol will set. Malaluan will hit. And Malaluan will score.
Serving for UE, Risa Nogales.
Canino. Nogales keeps it alive. Reyes will send it back to Canino, and this time she makes sure. Really looking to string a couple of points here, but still down big. Canino just outpowering the double block.
Angel Canino.
Oh, no one there. Ginoo sending it to Nogales, but
Block point for
the blockers have just been on point for LaSalle this entire game.
The center middle connection of UE has been missing, I would say.
From Kai Cepeda. Nice dump by Micol Reyes.
She tried to do that a while ago, but it was a soft dump ball.
Number 2 in digging, number 7 in receives. Malaluan. Point number 21 for LaSalle. First appearance here in season 87. Nogales. Santos with a cover. Pump set. Casey.
LaSalle let go of that block. I believe that it was the right decision for them.
They've been targeting Santos. Soreño, soft touch. Oh my goodness, Soreño, 7 points.
Only in this set.
In this set alone. Another sharp serve by Provido. KC Balingit. Canino with some power. Free ball, LaSalle. Micol Reyes going to Soreño once again for set point.
To regain control of this game.
Reyes Canino flying by. Check by Del Castillo. Soreño, not there just yet. Ginoo will set to Van Bangayan, and she finds the line.
Van Bangayan.
And that's the thing I like about...
Canino, not the set she wanted. Ginoo, back set. Bangayan, back-to-back points.
Van Bangayan.
Saved. Reyes looking to put an end. Who else with conviction?
Sayang, di daw umabot. But that's 9 big points for Baby Jane Soreño in set number 3.
University wins.
Soreño ending it. She started it, might as well her finishing it. 2 sets to 1 lead.
Mikalia will still come off the bench.
There's another dump play by Nicole.
Nicole Reyes.
Coach Alan.
Positional
So
fault
Ginoo,
against
quick to Lilay. Ginoo setting it. Kai Cepada. Double block was there. Malaluan from the back. Cepada, isa pa. Nice save by Del Castillo. Soreño, tough angle. Bangayan naman. Van Bangayan. Corner pocket shot.
When it comes to net defense, so they really have to build that smooth connection as we progress. Because when we get to round 2, dyan mo na makikita yung major adjustments from all of the universities.
Lila
Right on
Del
cue.
Parang narinig ka,
Castillo.
Nino. Parang narinig ka.
Christine Icania.
Still have a lead here, though. Canino, drop ball. Good save by Cepada. Another chance for Lasal. Can't connect with Angel. Pump set. Cepada. Del Castillo reaches to send it back. Del Castillo again with the coverage. And Cepada scoring on that one after that timeout.
So can't make the same mistake that they had in set number 2. Again, UE has been getting a lot of good touches on defense, not just up front, but also at the back.
Off speed, Malaluan from the back row.
Malia Malalua.
From the back, Kai. Del Castillo, a high bump set, Malaluan, improv. Canino with the up. Malaluan challenging the double block. From the middle, Balingit. Ordiales, still not there. Casey again. Malaluan, can she end this? Oh, another IQ play.
Malia Malalua.
Float serve. Malaluan. Cross court was dug by Reyes. Free ball by Reyes. Miko will set up the back row for Canino and a kill block
Block point
for Nogales.
She already has 20 points to her name. 4 players are in double digits already from LaSalle.
Jump set. Bangayan. Stuffed.
It's a block point for...
But they have a big margin in the attacking department. Now they're adding on to that tally in the serving department.
Nilay with the adjustment. Cepada just challenging the blockers, unfazed.
Has been going to a lot of power tips and soft touches, pero hinihintay pa natin yung full swing on that point of attack.
Lilay Del Castillo.
But she has been very consistent.
LaSalle looking for their first back-to-back wins of the season. And there you have it.
Ball out.
The DLSU Lady Spikers